Hello, today we're going to create a function that returns the sum of all the multiples of 3 or 5 below the number passed in. So if the number is a multiple of both 3 and 5, only count it once. If the number's negative, then return 0. So let's go ahead and comment that out. Excuse me. So we'll start by writing or defining our function, and let's go ahead and call it the sum. So it'll be a number will be passed into it, and then we'll take that number. Well, let's go ahead and create a variable called sum that we'll add everything to, so that will give us our final answer, and we'll start that out at 0. Okay, then let's do a for loop. We'll use a for loop to loop through and figure out all the numbers below the number that's passed in, whether they're 3 or 5, and if they are a multiple of 3 or 5, then, or 3 and 5, either way, we will add them to the variable sum, and that will be our answer. So, if the way that we'll first of all, we'll define our for loop. Equals 1, let I equal 1. I is less than number that's passed in, and then I plus plus, which means we'll increment it by 1 each time we go through the loop. So when we get into the loop, we'll take each number, and if I modulus 3 is equal to 0, or if I modulus 5 is equal to 0, then if that's the case, then we'll add it to sum. So sum plus equals I. Whatever I is, we'll add it to the sum. Okay? Then when we have gone through all the numbers, so it's less than the number, so up to the number, but not including the number that's passed in. And when we've got to that point, then we'll return the sum. Okay, so to call the function the sum, let's just start out with a 10. So if we run that, it gives us 23. So basically, if we just want to see what it is that it's putting in there, then let's go ahead and console log I. I just want to see what numbers are going in there. So if we see 3, 5, 6, and 9, so 3 is a multiple of 3, 5 is a multiple of 5, 6 is 3, 9 is a multiple of 3. So those added together comes up to 23. 9 and 6 is 15, plus 5 is 23. So that works properly. So let's try a little bit bigger number. Let's just go up to 15. Actually, let's go to 16, and that should include one of the multiples there, should be 15, which is a multiple of 3 and 5. So if we do that, we go 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, and 15. So that seems to be working properly. So it looks like we've got a good function.